Some of them torment, some of them idle. Them big crusty back woman on social media. We talk about Donna. People, we talk about Tina Chin. She have a Facebook page name, same way so, TV. And she made 2 posts over there talking about Planka bars. The first one go like this, look on your screen, people. Shit cleaning Plankas. Yeah, no, lazy Bertha. Don't plan to work in America. Her plan is to scam until you have nothing left to give. Jano star, people. Jano. Why them woman can't leave Donna alone? Why them obsessed with Donna so? Because Sunday morning, when you should a yard, I do something, wash some dirty clothes or cook a breakfast. You dey on your page a post about Donna. Donna well alright in America, and you there America a waste time. How much time I go waste until you realize that yo, when you nah get nothing at all out of life. We realize that you should stop talk about Donna, she start talk the new name Bertha. You see me? Because she knows that Donna go sue her anytime from now. Big old crusty back woman, no have nothing at all to do. No plan for change. And just decide for us. Depend the woman name. No have nothing at all to do. People, let me know what you think about this down below. Because it's a Tina Chin, I don't know to say people. I don't know what to say. But one of them there, she get herself in a problem and then she not have nobody to turn to. Because you see it, she have all kind of problems in her family and all over the world. Enough people over the world hate her. And people now change their mind against her. And for the idiot take time and live her life, so she want to live. So it goes like this, a criminal Bertha didn't need security at ghetto in Jamaica, but she need it in America, Queens, New York. See why she had to friend 360? This is too much. This is obsession. This is really obsession, people. The lady are mad out and the lady are basically Africa Donna name forget attention. Everything at all is Donna. You can say Donna never need security in Jamaica, but she need it in America. She must need it in America because in American thing, no fun over there. And we will send people come try hurt the lady. Lord, you and the rest of them with MC, all I want to would send people to come hurt Planka boss. So Planka boss have her security. She have her head. Protect her head. You see me? Planka boss not paid none of no cash, not trust none of no. When she there Mountain View now, nobody can ramp with this because this is a fair place. So Uno are the one with Donna really and truly have security for because we don't have enough kind of people when I like Donna and I would want to try something. You see me? So Donna have her security up. But big old woman like you, Tina Chin, Sunday morning, you don't have nothing to do. You don't have nothing at all to do. You don't have food to cook. You don't have dirty clothes to wash. You don't have a work to do, nothing. You just dip on your page and talk about Donna so. And the Planka and them. I talk about Donna now work in America. Oh, you know that? Don't the woman get her first promotional job in America and more to come. Who are you? I don't understand them big crusty back woman. Them woman will not go nowhere at all in their life. We decide say, boy, I'm going to just live on Donna name for the rest of my life and see what will happen. It not going to work. It ain't going to work and thing. Me I say to myself, say, is that what she get from this? Look at clout, look at attention. But is it worth it? Is it worth it for you to talk something about the woman and the woman to see you? I don't know when I get in a Facebook page from. Somebody get in a Facebook page with us trouble people and torment people. Donna no see you, Donna no want to see you, Donna the America, and she live a different kind of life right now. You see me, she live a first class life. And you come here live a third class life. You can't bake, you can't do nothing at all. All you good for, you just come for your life and chat about the woman. I mean, say the lady not paying her mind. Why you give her so much attention for? Why you seek that attention? Why are you behaving like a asshole? You don't realize and things so your time expire upon the net. Nobody not like you upon the net because the people know see you're drunk. All you do is fly from place to place and pick up. You see me? You're like a voucher. You eat meat all over the place. Waste of time. Make up Facebook page name same so TV and I travel people. And every good thing at all is Donna. When you can't talk nothing more, Donna pay on the bill, Donna pay on the insurance, Donna pay on the car license and all kind of things. If you hate the woman so much and you want the woman DEAD, why want to talk about the woman so much? If you hate the woman so much and you want the woman passed away, or if you hate something happen, you're not happy. So why not watch the woman? Why you not watch the woman? I don't understand people, yeah? Why would you guys even watch Donna if you know say you hate her so much like a poison? You see what go on, people? Them people that wouldn't have done a drop down. They would have rejoiced about it. They would have rejoiced. Just like when Opal passed away, T-girl look, see if you keep them. No love. That's why there be no peace on social media. You see me? You see, up to now, people, she cannot answer Kingston 13 because she knows that Kingston 13 have her file. Kingston 13 have everything at all about T-girl. She can't answer to her. She cannot answer to her. Kingston 13 have all of her file them in her cabinet. Lock up. You see me? That's how she keep herself. That's how she can pick past somebody else like Noel and Chris. Because she shouldn't, and Donna, she should know so them not going to respond back to her. That's she always talk about them. I mean, I say, yo, if you're a big woman up in her age, you know, plan to change your life. You know, plan to do something different. You plan to make your life miserable. See your daughter in hospital there. Your daughter in hospital. And you know, talk about her for your life. You know, put her up on your page. You know, post on about her. But you're quick to talk about people. You're quick to do this and do that. You see me? But guess what? God know everything at all. And God not like ugly. And God not like bad mind. God not like stagnant. You see me? But all I can say about this thing, people, is that once a troublemaker, I will be a troublemaker. And if they're not plan for change, they might all be the same person. And then they might get the same result. They might always bad mind and always envy. And then what will happen to them? Just watch what happen to them people. Because them people, them not plan for change them life. Them just want to be the same bad breed, dirty mind people them. Depend them page and have certain negative comment. And when you come to no respond back to them want to go like a baby. You see me? And it's all about selling some cake. So when you see T-girl behave some people, it's all about to get some cake sell. That's all she want to do. Once fear keep them sell, she good. Yeah, man. Once I keep them sell, she good. So when I say about this again, people, bad mind can't last forever. Cannot last forever. Wickedness always are there. Because you can have good and evil people in the world. You see me? And what we know for sure, you can have some people who are always evil because them use them evilness to make money. See me? But there is a God, and when God ready for certain things, some of them people are bad for mercy. Them are bad for mercy and thing. Because them too wicked and dangerous. And T-girl, you're an example. You're jealous of the woman because the woman not paying attention. You're jealous because the woman can bake. You're jealous because the woman can do certain things more than you. You're jealous of Chris because Chris can bake. And you talk bad about them. You throw shade at them. You hate them. And you have it to say, they might trouble you. You trouble Noel. And you trouble many other people who they weirder than you. I mean, I say, yo, if you look a simple baker like you, we say you're a bake. Why you have to talk about them big people here to get attention? See me? And for draw a crowd. You should be able to draw your own crowd. But I guess not. See me? So guys, just put this out for you, man. Like and share. Let me know what you guys think about the whole situation regarding T-girl, bad mind, dirty ways. Leave it down below, people. Because once we know this, a bad mind will always be bad mind and it's a change. So make us see what will be the outcome. Because we know say Donna are so Shana crew them. See me? It's a matter of time. So she go and waste time on social media and talk about Donna and other people. You see me? Because we know ourselves, she not gonna know at all. We know ourselves that she big and stagnant and workless. But it's a matter of time before things reach her. So guys, best upon yourself, man, on the Sunday, yeah. Like and share and just do the positive thing, people. Nobody follow teenage dirty ways. You see me? Just do the right thing, people. That's all we need. I'm out.